In the last video, we have completed our overview of the Stream Builder widget. And now that this is done, we can remove a lot of state management code from our widgets. So first of all, let's take a look at the landing page. And as we can see here, we have the init state, the check current user, and the update user methods. And these are all used so that we can update the mutable state variable that we have declared over here. Now, because we no longer need this state variable, then all this code can be deleted. And since we deleted the update user method, then the compiler complains that the onSign_in and the onSign_out callbacks are calling a method that doesn't exist. But the point is that we don't need these callbacks anymore, so we can remove them from here. And then we will update the sign-in page and the home page as well. But before we do that, I want to point out one thing, and that is that there isn't any mutable state in the landing page anymore. And so for this reason, the landing page can now become a stateless widget. So in the class declaration over here, I'm going to say extends stateless widget, like that. And because of this, we can now remove all the boilerplate code that we had for the stateful widget. So here we can select these few lines which contain the createState method and the declaration of the state object, and we can delete them. And this is because our landing page is now a simple stateless widget that only has the build method. Finally, because this page is now a stateless widget, then we can access the auth object directly rather than saying widget.auth. So here we're just deleting the widget.prefix from here, and from here. Okay, so now that we have refactored our landing page, let's head over to the sign-in page. And here we no longer need to call the onSign_in callback after we sign in anonymously. And that's because after we sign in, a new event will be pushed to the onAuth state changed stream, and our stream builder will be called as a result. So the only thing that we need to do in this method is to call auth.signin anonymously, and we don't need to retrieve the user. And since we don't need our onSign_in callback, then we can remove it as a variable and also from the constructor, like this. Next, we can head over to our home page. And here we can repeat the same steps that we have just done on the sign-in page. So we can remove the call to onSign_out, and we can remove the callback as well, like this. Finally, we can head back to the landing page, and because I've just saved my file, Flutter has hot reloaded the application and is now showing me an error to tell me that the type landing page is not a subtype of stateful widget. This is fine because we have just converted the landing page from a stateful widget to a stateless widget. So all we have to do is to hot restart the application. And it looks like we are now getting the circular progress indicator that we are returning here when snapshot.hasData is false. So it seems that I've made a mistake in my stream builder code, so let's fix this in the next video.